welcome, bonjour, vous allez bien, comment ça va, je vais bien et vous, je vais aussi bien, d'accord, okay. So welcome to my French language club, which we are running under the umbrella of A-Square Languages. So today I will give you a lot of good delivery in terms of how to say, see, this video is especially for the Delf guys, Delf A1 guys, and the French beginners, and for the French kids. So you can consider for this video can be the guys who are in the fourth standard students, the third standard students, and maybe the French beginners. Okay. So today we have entered in the lesson 1. I will give you a lot of deliveries. Okay. So let's start with this. Today we start the pattern with match the following. I will give you a lot of, I will give you a few vocabularies wherein you have to match it out. Is that clear to you? Alright. So here we have welcome, speak up, welcome, welcome we called as bienvenue, speak up, bienvenue, bienvenue we called as welcome. So here we call as welcome, répétez après moi, répétez s'il vous plaît, répétez encore, welcome we called as bienvenue, repeat please, welcome we called as bienvenue, speak up, bienvenue. Okay, now we have a portion of good day. Good day we call as bonjour. Here we have welcome, welcome we have bienvenue, and good day we have bonjour. Now répétez après moi. Welcome, welcome, welcome we have bienvenue. Répétez après moi. Bienvenue. Répétez après moi. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Répétez encore. Welcome is bienvenue. Is that clear to you? Welcome, bienvenue. Okay. Good day is bonjour. Now repeat after me. Welcome, welcome, bienvenue, bienvenue. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Répétez encore. And you have to see the movement of my mouth. Okay. You have to see the movement of my face. Bienvenue, bienvenue. So bienvenue we call as welcome here. If I will say hello, welcome here, I will say bienvenue. So bienvenue we call as welcome. Oh, bonjour, speak up. Parlez s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, bonjour we call as good day. So if you are a French beginner, okay, so repeat after me then. Bienvenue, bienvenue, bienvenue we call as. For example, if you're working in a any corporate office and you see the clients, you say welcome sir. So répétez après moi. Bienvenue monsieur. Speak up. Bienvenue. So bienvenue we call as welcome. Répétez encore s'il vous plaît. Good day. Good day we call as bonjour. Good morning and good day is one and same thing in French. We have bonjour. Okay. Now we have friends. Friends we call as amis. Speak up. Amis. And répétez s'il vous plaît. You have to see the movement of my voice and movement of my mouth. Ami, Ami, Ami is my friend, and definitely I will give you the pronunciations which we call as voice and accent trainings in French language. My second module. In my second module, I will give you the phonetics description wherein we'll add some voice and accent in French language. Okay. So that we call as VNA training in French language. In my second chapter, I will give it to you. So today is just in first day, first class. So it's just I'm going to deliver my thing. Okay. So repeat after me. Répétez encore. Welcome we call as bienvenue. Good day we call as bonjour. Friends we call as amis. And cheese we call as fromage. Speak up. Fromage. If you say, what to say cheese in French? For example, what to say cheese in cheese. Fromage. Speak up. Fromage. Fromage we call as cheese. Répétez après moi. Fromage. Fromage we call as cheese. Okay. So repeat after me. Welcome, bienvenue, good day, bonjour, friends, amis, and cheese fromage. C'est clair. Now répétez encore s'il vous plaît. Répétez. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour is good day. Bienvenue, bienvenue. Répétez s'il vous plaît. See, you have to come up with your enthusiasm now. Speak up, please. Bienvenue, bienvenue. Bonjour, bonjour. Ami. Ami is my friend, and fromage. Fromage, which you eat. What to say cheese in French? Fromage. What to say friends in French? Ami. What to say welcome in French? Bienvenue. And what to say good day in French? We have bonjour. C'est clair. Okay. Let's move to a next pattern wherein I will give you a lot of things over here. My next pattern. What to say thank you very much in French? We have merci beaucoup. Speak up, please. And merci beaucoup. So what you say, thank you, if I will say thank you very much, we'll say a lot of times in English, thank you very much, we'll say merci beaucoup. Because if you're a beginner and if you're just entering in your Delf A1 exam, or you are a kid, okay, for example, there are a lot of kids I have seen, like the schools have already started their French language programs. So if you're a beginner, you can have this video. This is lesson 1 basically, and in lesson 2 I will give you first the voice and accent training of French language. Okay, so here we have merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup we called as thank you very much. If I thank you very much, what to say? Thank you very much. What will say? Merci beaucoup. What to say? Merci beaucoup is wherein we have thank you very much. Good night. Speak up. Bonne nuit. Speak up. Bonne nuit. Speak up. Bonne nuit is good night. Basically, bonne nuit. Speak up. Bonne nuit. So basically, bonne is my good. Okay. Good night is my nuit. Because why we have nuit? Because UI sound is V in French. Basically, my spelling is N-U-I-T. Nuit. Nuit is night. But here we have UI sound is V in French language. So speak up. I will give you the phonetic description in my second lesson. So it's just you have to, for example, if you are a kid, for example, so what you say, speak up, good night, good night, good morning. So the same in French, we have to understand these things. Bonne nuit, répétez après moi, bonne nuit, merci beaucoup, répétez après moi, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup is thank you very much. Bonne nuit is good night. If I will say see you soon, we have à bientôt. Speak up. À bientôt. Speak up. À bientôt is see you soon. Repeat after me. À bientôt. Speak up. À bientôt is basically see you soon. What to say thank you very much in French? Now speak up. What to say thank you very much in French? We have merci beaucoup. What to say good night in French? We have bonne nuit. Okay, see you soon. Speak up. À bientôt. Répétez après moi. Répétez encore s'il vous plaît. À bientôt. Speak up. À bientôt. À bientôt. C'est clair. Now we have welcome to France. If I will say, for example, I'm living in France. For example, if I live in France, however, I'm living in India only. It's just I'm saying. For example, assume if I live in France and you are my friend, I will say welcome over here in France. So what I will say, bienvenue, welcome. We already have learned bienvenue. Bienvenue en France. Is that clear to you? So here we have bienvenue en France. C'est clair. Bienvenue. So bienvenue. Speak up. Bienvenue. Bienvenue en France. So here we have bienvenue. Bienvenue en France. Good morning. Bonjour. Speak up. Bonjour. Speak up. Bonjour. Now repeat after me. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup is, you have to, okay, I will say in French and you have to understand like what I'm trying to say is in English. You have to just go for a translation. Okay. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Bonne nuit. Good night. Then we have see you soon. À bientôt. À bientôt is see you soon. Welcome here in France. Bienvenue en France. Speak up. Bienvenue en France. Okay. Here we have good morning is bonjour. How to say how are you in how are you? So we have how are you is comment ça va? Speak up. Comment? Okay, is it visible to you? Comment? Okay, comment ça va? Comment ça va is how are you? Speak up. Répétez encore s'il vous plaît. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Comment ça va? Comment ça va is basically my how are you? If I'm saying, hey, hi, how are you? How are you? So what I will say, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Now répétez encore s'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup. Speak up. Merci beaucoup. Bonne nuit. À bientôt. Bienvenue en France. Bonjour and comment ça va? C'est clair. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Now répétez encore s'il vous plaît. We have welcome is bienvenue. Good day is bonjour. France is army, cheese is fromage. C'est clair. Now, thank you very much. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Repeat please. Répétez encore s'il vous plaît. You have to repeat it please. Still, you go for a repetition. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Good night. Bonne vie. See you soon. À bientôt. Welcome to France. Bienvenue en France. Okay. Good morning. Bonjour. And how are you? Is comment ça va? C'est clair. Now we have one word missing. I can rub this. Is it visible? So what I'm going to do? I'm going to rub this. Okay. For example, how to say goodbye? Goodbye is au revoir. Speak au revoir. Speak up. Au revoir. That is my goodbye. Goodbye. Because we have OI sound is wa in French language. I will give you the phonetics description also. In my next video, you will see the voice accent training in French language, that will be phonetics. Okay, so just repeat after me. Au revoir, comment ça va, bonjour, bienvenue en France, à bientôt, bonne vie, merci beaucoup. C'est clair. So this is the video especially for my beginners guys, for my beginners, for the friends who have just enrolled themselves in the French language. So please have this video, please watch this video. It will really help you out. Is that clear to you? Okay, so I'm sure you would have loved this video. If you would have loved this, okay, so please what I would say, watch this video. Definitely I will and share your comments also, like if you have any advice, definitely we'll look for the same. So we'll come back to you with my next module, which would be my phonetics with lesson 2. And today this is, you can consider a Delf A1 exam. Delf, this video, if you want to prepare for clear your Delf A1 exam, which is a diploma in French language, so please have this. Okay, so I believe it will definitely help you out. Okay, that's fine. So what to say, because I am going to finish off my session now. That's a live session. So what I will say, au revoir. Speak of au revoir, that is bye bye. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. Take care.